What's up, guys? This is the Nike Air More Uptempo 96 UK pack, UK colorway. This is part of the Nike Air More Uptempo Europe City pack, and I think they're pretty fire sneakers, so I'm going to check out all three pairs in a video series, and then I'm going to compare all three of them in one video. Hope you like the video. Conventional Nike box. I would have thought that they would come out with a slightly better box for these, considering they're quite special or significant. This is the UK colorway. A lot of nice little colors here. As usual, I'm going to put them on feet so you can see how they look. Pretty fire if you ask me. Let's check out the bottom here. Got a nice little green Nike logo. Nike Air. The country itself, how it looks on a map. Green, white, and red. A lot of very specific colors here. Look pretty fire if you ask me. Here's the inside of the sole, just a white sole. It says Nike Air on it. As usual, we're gonna throw them on. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. One of my favorite aspects of the shoe is this little lace tab. You can kind of pull this one and this one at the same time. It makes it much easier to throw the shoe on. It's a pretty new addition to the Air Uptempo line. In my opinion, I could be wrong. I know this is a pretty out there colorway. But sometimes that's not a problem. As you can see on foot, you can't complain. They're pretty fire, they're pretty comfortable. They're kind of heavy sneakers if you ask me. Let's kind of zoom out here real quick so you can get a better image of how they look. They don't look like the exact same shoe on both sides. The backs are different colors. All in all, they're pretty fire on foot, I must admit. Let me know in the comment section if you're considering copying. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, if you love the content, I should say, subscribe to the channel. If you like it, you can also subscribe too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.